Clay's RV, where every RV purchase saves the life of a child. Thank you for checking out our 2018 Winnebago Travato 59K. This beautiful RV comes with a full sliding screen door. It is only 21 feet long, and has 2 twin beds that can convert into a queen-size bed. This Travato 59K runs well and the major systems have been tested and work great. This RV does include a limited warranty, so be sure to ask us for details. Ask about no-cost delivery, including out of state. One thing you'll notice is that this RV is not like the other guys. It really looks as nice as the photos show. Truthfully, the interior and exterior look brand new. This is an RV worthy of white glove service. Come see our RVs, and you will see the difference. We are open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday and available Saturdays 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Call or text Nate at 801-917-3853 for any additional questions. This RV comes with the following awesome features. Ram ProMaster 280 horsepower, 3.6-liter V6 gas engine, a 6-speed automatic 62 TE transmission, and a 180-amp alternator. Full body paint. Only 19,483 miles. 2,800-watt Cummins Onan gas generator. High-quality slide-out awnings and a huge patio awning. All automatic and in acrylic covers that protect the awning with wind sensors. Radio, GPS navigation / rearview monitor system 5-inch L.C@D, color touch screen, steering wheel controls, color rear camera, and the deluxe Froley sleep system. Call or text Nate at 801-917-3853 to ask about warranty and trade-in values. Don't miss out on this amazing motorhome. Call today at 801-917-3853. Or come by and see us at 1260 South 500 West in Salt Lake City, Utah. At Clay's RV Sales, for every RV you buy, we sponsor a child through Compassion International. We chose Compassion International because they have impacted 1.9 million children over 65 years of service. Compassion has the highest standards of financial integrity and accountability, giving 80% of the donations back to the sponsored children. They only use the money for the purpose for which it was raised, regularly performing program audits to ensure our programs are well managed and funds are properly dispersed and applied, and balancing low administrative and fundraising costs with high-quality programs. This oversight ensures that each child has an opportunity to attend or stay in school, receives appropriate medical care, which often saves lives, has nourishing food, and receives mentoring and a safe environment through a local evangelical church. Thank you for helping us help them.